Hey guys, my name is Tom and I'm from DanceBlue, and today we're going to do an awesome craft together. I cannot wait to construct our very own robot. Mine is clearly DanceBlue themed, blue and gold, and today you're going to get to create your very own. I am wearing my mad scientist goggles so we can be an inventor together. I cannot wait, so let's get started. So let's go through all the materials we need to build our robot. First, we have the robot's chest. We have the left leg and right leg of the robot. The robot should have 2 arms, 1 head, and its feet. So as you can tell, a lot of mine are already colored in, so I'm going to need you to catch up to me. I'm gonna start coloring right now, and then I'll give you a chance to finish coloring yours in a minute. But I'm gonna start coloring. Mine is DanceBlue theme, so I'm coloring it blue and gold. I have a few jokes to tell you guys while we color. First up, do you know why the teddy bear said no to dessert? It was because she was already stuffed. But yeah, you guys go ahead and finish up coloring, and when you're done, I'll teach you how to put together your robot. I can't wait to see it. All right, are you guys ready to make this robot? Let's go. So we're gonna start and go from the bottom up. So we're gonna start with the robot's feet. So the feet, when laid out flat, look like this. So grab the feet, and you're gonna wanna fold in each edge piece of the feet. So right here, you're gonna wanna fold that in, fold these pieces in, and same on the other side. And then all these edge pieces, you're gonna wanna fold them in so it's easier to work with when you're putting it together. So go ahead and fold those in, and each of these little knob pieces is gonna go in a little slit right next there, and it's gonna fold up and become like a triangular prism. So it's gonna be like a triangle. So go ahead and put that together. I'll give you a few minutes. All right, here's it when you finish. And now we're gonna move on and build up with the legs. So there's 2 legs and they're pretty identical. Here is what they look like unfolded, and then you're gonna fold it up to be like a rectangle like this. And so go ahead and fold your edges in right here, and all your little knobs you're gonna want to fold them in also, and then fold up your legs. It should look like this. I'll give you a minute. Now we have 2 legs. We're gonna attach them to our robot. So we got our robot feet here, and we're gonna put them together on top, and there's little slits in the feet that the leg knobs can go into. And so make sure these little triangle parts of the leg go onto the top of the foot like this. All right, go ahead and put those on. Okay, now your robot should look like this. It has its feet, conveyor belt, and its 2 legs sticking up. And so now we're gonna keep going up and connect its chest. So this is what the chest looks like laid out flat. And so we wanna, again, fold in all the corners, fold in those edges, and fold in the little knobs so that we're all ready to piece it together. And then go ahead and fold along these creases to box it up into, it's gonna look almost like a rectangle. I'll give you a minute to do that. All right, this is what your chest should look like. And if along the way you ever need any repairs, then simply grab some tape, put that on there, and your robot will be good to go. Now we want to connect the chest to the legs. So there's little slits in the bottom of the chest, and you'll want to put the knobs of the legs into those slits. Go ahead and do that. Okay, this is what your robot should look like now. The chest is now connected to the legs. Now we're going to move on to the arms and the head. Okay, now we're ready to put on the robot's arms. So when it's unfolded, it's gonna look something like this. And you're, again, wanna fold in all the tabs and fold along the creases along the bottom until you can get it into a rectangular shape and try to make it look like this. You're also gonna want to have you want a pin to insert into this hole before you fold it up. And that way it'll be in the right place for you to attach it to the chest. Go ahead and do that. Okay, now we have our two arms ready to go. We want to attach them to the chest using this tiny hole in the side. And so we're gonna put the arm on and put the metal prongs through there and then tighten them up so the arm doesn't fall off. Next, we want to put on the hands. So they're going to go right on the end of the arms, and you want to fold them like this so that they make a little claw. Go ahead and put those on with the little knobs at the end of the arms. All right, this is what my robot looks like so far. Looking pretty good. Now I just need to add the head. So before you close up the chest, make sure you put a pin in here so that you can put on the head very easily. And then take your head. You wanna, again, fold all the edges in, fold the knobs in, and get ready to fold it up into a square so that you can put it right on. Go ahead and do that. Amazing, you're done. So you built an awesome robot today. You're sort of now a crazy, cool inventor scientist. And the last step is really just to name your robot. I think I'm gonna go with Rob for robot. So I hope you guys had fun today, and I'll see you next time.